As we said, the West Bengal Chief Minister, a massive controversy over her comment, which she seemed to be victim blaming, but it seems no lessons in the Trinamool Congress. Now, Saugata Roy, a member of parliament, has also commented saying that women's safety in Bengal is better than in other places. But then he goes on to say women shouldn't leave their colleges so late at night as the police can't patrol everywhere. So after Mamata Banerjee, now Trinamool Congress MP also blaming the woman, saying they should not leave the college at night.
बंगाल में बहुत कम होता है. बंगाल में महिलाएं का सुरक्षा दूसरा प्रांत से अच्छा है. आरजीकर कितने 1 साल हो गया आरजीकर का घटना, और एक ठो घटना हुआ, दोनों ही दुर्भाग्यजनक है. इसको बंद होना चाहिए. लेकिन महिलाओं को भी अपना कॉलेज से इतना रात में निकलना नहीं चाहिए. थोड़ा पुलिस तो हर जगह पहरा नहीं दे सकता है, तो इसको थोड़ा सावधान होना चाहिए लोगों को.
Right, so Saugata Roy making that statement. Let's go back to Ritik for more on that, Ritik. And as I was asking you, the big controversy over Mamata Banerjee's statement, and now Trinamool Congress MP too, again seen to be victim blaming. He says that, law and order in Bengal is good. There's safety for women, but these students shouldn't go out late at night.
One after another, shocking remarks are coming from, the ruling dispensation camp. You have the Chief Minister herself, initiating this controversy. Then you have the Kakoli Ghostikar, a very senior member of parliament. Now we have possibly the senior most member of parliament of the Trinamool Congress party, that is Saugata Roy, stating the same, making the same statement, and that has triggered another fresh controversy. What we do believe that TMC in a way trying to justify Mamata Banerjee's statement over the which is being considered as very, very derogatory or outrageous, even insensitive. That you have the reactions after this. We have the reaction from the victim parents as they has decided to take their child back to their home state in Orissa. Remember, they feel unsafe. They said simply that they can't compromise with the security of their child, which is why they have decided once their their daughter her mental or physical condition is stable, they will take them back to Orissa. So that's a very horrific incident that has triggered a shockwave among all of here in the West Bengal. But political firestorm is not letting down by the ruling dispensation or even the Bharatiya Janata Party, which is why we are getting several insensitive and controversial comments coming from Trinamool Congress leaders. Back to you.
That's right, Ritik. It's been a massive controversy, and as we spoke to the governor of West Bengal as well, and he is en route to the hospital where he's going to meet with the family of the victim, of the survivor, rather the rape survivor after this horrific gang rape case. But if we talk about the politics once again, Ritik, even the last time around during the RG Kaur case, there was the Trinamool Congress kept saying that there were a lot of rumors being spread, a lot of politics being done over this, and pointing out how the police had arrested the rapist immediately. In this case as well, what we did start the bulletin was with the breaking news that all 5 of the rapists have been arrested. Now to see whether justice is served, whether they are the trial is fast tracked or not, and justice served.
Definitely, that's remained the biggest question remains whether the justice would be delivered to the victim family. Remember, the survivor is also looking forward a speedy justice with regard to this crime. As per the investigations are concerned, we are given to understand that a lady was subjected to crime on the very fateful night on Friday when she had gone out of this particular campus with her friend for dinner, and she was dragged into a deserted area where she was brutally gang raped. At least 5 people have been arrested, and they are all outsiders of this campus. They are all villagers of nearby villages. Remember, among them One is, Nashiruddin Sheikh, another person who has been identified in this crime for having his alleged involvement in this crime is a contractual worker with the local civic body. So there are a lot of things what we believe as per the police sources are concerned. We are given to understand that they are not leaving any stone unturned to reach out to every perpetrator. As per the chief minister or the higher body of the state is concerned, the all administration has been directed to take strongest possible action against the perpetrator in order to make the situation normal. The investigations are underway, but we do understand politics is continuing over this entire row. Back to you.